Hey y'all, it's me. You ever just look nice and the lighting is perfect and you feel like you should probably film yourself?
The sun, the kiss, the funk for a bliss, the lips with the soul and some jazz for your hips.
Yeah, what's new? What's popping? What's shaking? What's baking? I'm hungry. Ew. Um, I got this wig from the beauty supply store. I'll have all the links down below as to where, like, all of this information. But I really like this wig. Of course, it has like shedding and stuff because it is a dollar store wig. This isn't $200 worth of wiggetry. This is a cheap alternative for somebody like me who does not have $200 to be spending on wiggetry. I'm not good at doing wigs, but I really like it. This is after I bought this wig a month ago and I washed it last week. So this is a week's worth of not doing anything to it, not washing it. It doesn't have, like, you know how you have bundles and it moves, how you want it to. It doesn't quite do that. This wig is definitely something that you wear to work, because you want to look presentable, that you wear to class because you want to look presentable, but you're not going to be hiking in this wig because it's not going to handle it. But it's definitely something to wear that's affordable and can get the job done to make you look presentable. So here's the wig. This is the part. I kind of plucked a little bit of it, but I'm not that savvy. Like I said, I'm the type of person that wears a wig to go to work and to class. I don't really care if this looks like it's my hair or not. Like, I just want something on my head without doing any effort. So that's what this is. So the part isn't like super crazy, but I did pluck it a little bit more and I put some makeup in there. I'm not wearing a bald cap of any sort. And yeah. So this is the wig. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos that I plan on doing. Thanks.